In this video, I'll show you how to change the data source in Looker Studio reports step by step, especially useful when you've switched connectors or updated your backend. Open your report, go to the top menu, click Resource, and select Manage Added Data Sources. Here you'll see all connected sources. Click Add a Data Source, choose your connector, and authorize access if required. Make sure the new source has matching fields and metrics, otherwise your charts may break or show errors. Once added, go back to your report, select a chart, and in the Data panel, click Add Data to switch to the new source. The visual should update instantly, but if it doesn't, check for missing fields or mismatched data types like dates or numbers. Also, review filters and controls, since they may still point to the old source. This method helps you update reports without rebuilding everything. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.